Hello everyone, and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice. And today let's learn the new letter. Let's start. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. And today we're going to learn the letter S. This is the capital S. This is the lowercase s. Now you know how S look like. Let's make the letter sound. S, 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 s. For spider, spider. S. For star, star. S. For summer, summer. S. For sun, sun. S. For snake, snake. S. For strawberry, strawberry. This is the letter S. S. Let's write it down. Now it's story time. Let's start. One summer day, a black spider saw a snake crying. This spider approached to the snake that was very sad and asked, "Snake, why are you so sad? Why are you crying?" And the snake answered, "I'm so sad because I haven't got legs." The spider looked at his legs and then at the snake and asked it, "Can you bring me that strawberry?" The snake went and brought the spider the strawberry. "Thank you very much, snake. And now tell me, can you climb the tree to see the stars at night?" "Yes, I can," replied the snake. "Can you climb the mountain to see the sun?" "Yes, I can." "So why are you crying?" "You don't have legs, but you can get anywhere you want." The snake thought about what the spider just said and began to smile. The snake is happy now. "Thank you so much, spider." Bye-bye, spider. Goodbye, snake. Let's review the vocabulary. Snake, snake, snake. Spider, spider, spider. Sun, sun, sun. Sad, sad, sad. Star, star, star. Summer, summer, summer. Smile, smile, smile. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. This is the letter S. 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 I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.